unaccustomed as I am to public speaking, it is here. By your leave, ladies and gentlemen, we will act our sporting play. We'll show you fine diversions before you go away. For it is Rome, Rome, brave gallant boys. Give us room to... Sport, that's it. I've been listening to John Dowland too much. Give us room to sport, for this is the place we wish to resort and repeat our merry rhymes. Remember, good folks, it is the Christmas time. This Christmas time, as we do now appear, we wish to act a Merry Christmas here. For we are very actors who travel the streets. We are very actors who fight for our beats. We are very actors who show a pleasant play. Enter in, thou champion St. Dennis. Clear the way. Clear the way.
Bonjour, bonjour, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Very good, very good. Ah, a stately knight, well armed with sword and shield, approaches marching proudly o'er the field. Sir Knight, where camest thou? And pray tell me where thou art bound. Thy name and country so declaim. Fear thee, though thou looks quite big. Nor for thy long sword do I care a fig.
Well, thy demands are insolent, yet I will condescend thus quickly to reply. A knight am I, and not unknown to fame. Sir George of old of England is my name. Still in front of battle, foremost found, by field and flood for martial deeds renowned. Many brave knights I have stretched upon the plain. Towns have I taken, mighty giants slain, and lately, 'tis indeed a feat to brag on, I have killed, with this good sword, a furious dragon. Fearsome dragon. Deep, enamoured, lady bright. The world I travel as her knight, more fair, more virtuous, more defined than she, in any realm or country there can be. And that, I say I'll swear against every knight, fighting to arms in fierce and mortal fight!
Hey! St. George, St. George, thou talkest like an ass, so full of conceit. Nor will I let thee pass till I have banged thy hide, thou empty boaster, by thy swaggering arms and long cheese toaster. A knight of France, St. Dennis, famed am I. Now we part, I surely mean to try whether I cannot lower thy lofty tones and bring thee caitiff to thy marrow bones. Forced to confess in this world so round, the dames of France are still the fairest found.
Hey! Thy head from his shoulders soon I'll lop, and that foul mouth of thine forever stop. An English knight, when coming to a scratch, for two of France has always found a match. They fight.
Stand back, everybody! Stand back! This is dangerous stuff. This peeled street lies hard and cold. The saintly bones are tired and old.
Hurry up!
In our... Just hang on, keep going, boy. In our play, the bard has wrote for every saint there's a dying coach.
Ready?
Ready? I die by a Frenchman's hand. Our fate too cruel.
I think I have given St. George his gruel.
Hey!
Anybody else want to fight?
No.
I am St. Patrick.
Hey!
Ireland gave me birth.
Somebody had to.
Dearest Dublin, the sweetest place on earth. Sword or shillelagh, equally I wield. To crack a head or cut a throat, I'm well skilled. eat, and drink. That is my trades.
Unback your shield.
And some little bit of time to take up with the ladies. Saint the one called, but there must allow that every now and then I just love a row.
Right and talk.
I see St. George is fairly flawed, and that is quite impressive.
Now what right?
Now then, St. Denis from Frogs of France, without a fiddle, I'm going to make you dance.
I don't dance. For this, thou deserves a broken head, born in a bog and on potatoes fed. No bog nor Murphy should delight thee more. This weapon shall send thee to the Stygian shore. Thou better stop into thy bulls and brood, and rid the world right quickly of a rogue.
In fact, stand back, everybody. These swords have been known to cut through molten soup. Smaller dining cook this time because he's on the ground for less time.
I think it's time to die.
Today or tomorrow? Watch yourself. Watch it. There's another dead sink behind you. That's it. You go
Again.
this way. Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Okay.
Yes, go on.
Alas, St. Patrick, 'tis rather queer I feel, run through the body with thy Irish steel. Prithee, good fellow, for a doctor raw, for soon St. Denis shall be no more.
Hello!
Raw!
Hello, is there a doctor in the house by chance?
Yes. It is. Fred! Call a doctor. I am here, Allinson by name, and this Christmas time when things are financially hard, we've gone and scrapped your my card. But you've got me to thank because we're going to transfer the money into your bank.
Hey!
And for all sorts of ills, I've lotions, notions, motions, potions, bolus, powders, chowders, and pills, and bills as well.
And from whence came you?
Well, this year my travels have been slower because I've been going at 20 miles an hour. That one went down at well, of course. From France, from Spain, from Rome, I've come, I travel all parts of Christendom.
Well, that's well spoken, doctor, but tell us, what can you cure?
What can I cure? Are you ready for this? All sorts of diseases, whatever you please, all pains within, all pains without, the plague, the palsy, and the gout, the cholera, morbus, too complete, specific. I've never failed of the grand specific, the itch, the stitch, and the molly grubs. I can cure all these deeds. All big-bellied maids and such like jades. Likewise, I'll pledge my life I can cure a scolding wife. Let them be cursed or ever so stout. If the devil is in, I'll blow him out.
So tell us, doctor, what is your fee?
This Christmas, I don't want to put you in a rage, so I've not increased my minimum wage. If no fee I look for, if I make no cure.
And tell me, what medicine do you carry, doctor?
Oh, the medicine. What medicine do you want, boys?
A whiskey.
I carry in my pocket a little bottle of Rixum Rexum Frixum Praxum with
Aye,
Cockalory!
Aye, Cockalory!
Cockalory! A little of this to their nostrils. Soon. Their biggest. That was a bit much that time. Soon their biggest shall restore and make them fit and active as before.
Well, that big castle's out. I need some more.
I've never bathed in whiskey before.
That's what I get. They fight again. They fight again.
Cease. After this squabble, let our hands join, and in friendship, let us dine. Hungry I am and well prepared for prog. I have no objection to a glass of grog.
To a good meal I am nothing loath.
Neither. This will surprise you both.
Then with success to all brave boys of stout and gallant hearts, on that hill of Blackford both prepared to play a part. We handle well the fork and knife, likewise the sword and spear, and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year, and we wish you a good New Year.
With hostile bands confronted to fight,
we are not slack. A roast beef and plum pudding, we make a stout attack. We handle well the fork and knife, likewise the sword and spear, and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year, and we wish you a good New Year.
And now let's to dinner.
Which pub are we going?
Stop! I wish to know who's to come down my bay before you go.
This morning I had 10 penny, my dear, but on the road I spent it all on beer. And now I've not got a copper in my breeches, so St. George, you sort out this chap.
That's a righto. I'm not a rat, but...
Nor I. But I will borrow a euro note. Call again tomorrow.
I'm fairly fiddled. Birds of the same feather, all three, and humbugs all together, no cash, and call again tomorrow. The doctor's bill, lost in his time and trouble. Good folks, take pity on my mishap, and kindly drop a tenner in my cash. The Port Erin folks were really tight, but we know that Peel will do us right. So, if you've got any cash, please do chuck it in the Mungerberger collection bucket. And so, may a Merry Christmas and a good New Year attend you all with plenty of good beer. Don't clap, whatever you do. I know you were wanting to clap there, but don't clap, because...
In come I, who never came yet, with my big head and little wit. Let my wit be ever so small, me and me cudgel will hammer them all. Little devil doubt, I will put 6 feet under, with this most dangerous cucumber.
Hey!
If you don't believe the words I say, enter in, little devil doubt, and clear the way.
In come I, little devil doubt. If you don't give us money, I'll sweep you all out. Money I want and money I crave. If you don't give us money, I'll sweep you to your grave. Big head, there's war wherever we go. Where? Where? There! old big head. Where he lies, the devil cries. Come, come, come.
Don't clap yet, don't clap. There's another bit. And you'll need to stand over there. I know you were itching to clap, but no, wait for it. Next year we'll practice. Yeah. Let's help. What's this? This is the most intricate part of the dance. Just look at the footwork. Keep looking at the footwork. Okay, I'll take it. Hey! Peel with a queasy peel. Give us your money before you leave Peel. And we'll see you all next year.